Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a Fabfitfun unboxing. Now this is the winter box for 2017 and I bought this box with my own money. This is unsponsored, nothing was sent to me. So if you guys would like an unbiased, unpaid, unsponsored review, then please keep watching. So this is my first Fabfitfun box ever. I never purchased from them before, so this is all brand new to me. So this is what it arrived at my doorstep. So this is what the front of the box looks like. I know many people have gotten this box and it's all over social media, but I have never experienced this box, so we'll see what is inside. So when you open the box here, this is what it looks like. So it has this really pretty mint color in this inside the box, which I personally love. That's my favorite color, is like that aqua mint color. So when you open this up, you receive what looks to be like a newsletter or a magazine. So here's what it looks like. Okay, so this kind of gives you an idea of like what kind of products are in the box I'm taking it and what they're used for. So this might come in handy as I go through the box. I may not know what some of the products are. And then underneath are all the products. So it's wrapped in this tissue paper and a sticker, so I'm gonna peel that away. So the first thing I notice here is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. Now this is in 1.7 fluid ounces, which is a really great size because on Sephora's website, this is very expensive. You know, I'm gonna pull it up right now on my phone just so you guys can see how much this really is. So a 2-ounce bottle of the Exfoliate is $85. So if you guys are curious and you wanna see on my phone there, 2 ounces is $85, which is crazy because I paid $39 for this box. Now I used a coupon code, which I will leave a coupon code on the screen here or I'll list it below. I used an affiliate code of one of my favorite YouTubers because I wanted to support her and that's how I found out about this box. So I will leave mine below if you guys would like to purchase this box as well. You don't have to use my link, but it's there if you want to. So the price of this alone sold me on this entire box. That's why I wanted this box so bad, was because $85 I would never pay for this for a 2 ounce. Like, that is crazy to me. But $39 for the entire box, so you get this plus other goodies. Like, I was like, yes, I want that box. The second item on top here is actually a necklace, and they sent me the silver one, which I'm actually really happy about because I wear a lot more silver than any other. I have rose gold earrings on today, which rose gold and gold are nice, but silver is definitely my favorite. So the necklace looks like this, and I have seen pictures of this online. So it has many beads and it has a clamp here in the back, and it has all these holes so you can put it, you know, longer if you want it longer, or if you want it shorter like a choker necklace, you can tie it really tight. But this is actually really cute and really simple. I actually really like this. So it's kind of hard to tell like with my scarf on here, but this is really cute. It'll go really nice draped down the neck. I'm really excited to wear this. I just think that's really pretty and simple, which is definitely my style. Next item in the box here is a moisture healing mask, and this is from Nelson Beverly Hills. Now this detangles, controls frizz, prevent hair color fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorine and salt water, restores silkiness and shine, enhances natural body. So the directions say to apply this after you shampoo your hair and put it on towel dried hair. So let's see what this smells like. Oh, it definitely has a seal on it, but you can smell it right through. I'm not even gonna open it right now. But wow, it smells just like coconuts. So it smells really good in my opinion. I like coconut scent, so I don't mind that. Some people might find coconut not a very great scent, but I like it. The next product I'm pulling out of the box is an Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. And this says it's a special size. It's 5.1 fluid ounces. And I know that this is sold at Ulta and it is very, very expensive. This is definitely an expensive hand cream. I've used testers when I go into Ulta and I could never justify paying that much for this bottle of lotion. So for this to come in the box as well, I was very, very excited. Now I will also look up the price and I'll list it somewhere on the screen here to save time, but this is very expensive, so I was very excited about this. And again, this has a seal on it, but you can smell it right through the bottle. A light perfume, kind of like musky, florally, and a little bit of clean. kind of a little bit of everything, to be honest. Not very. Next item in the box here is actually fuzzy socks, which who doesn't like fuzzy socks? I know I have my fair share of fuzzy socks in my collection, and I actually really love the color they sent. I know there's like a pink and red one. I think there might be a third color, but I got the gray and black. So here is what it looks like. Super soft, super stretchy, and really long. So you can wear these kind of like up your leg, keep like your calves a little bit warm so they're not super short. And they feel like they're really good quality because some fuzzy socks are just so cheaply made, let's be honest here. But this is actually like nice, and it doesn't, when you stretch it, it doesn't have like all these little holes in it. The next item I'm pulling out of the box here is the mug. And this is a 15-ounce ceramic mug. It comes in this teal box here, and let's see what color I got. Okay, this is cute. Here's what my mug looks like. It says coming in hot, and it's black and white, which is super cute. I am definitely a tea drinker. I don't drink coffee. Coffee just upsets my stomach, so I have to be really careful when I drink coffee. It can only be decaf. I will be using this for hot tea. I love hot tea, so I think this is super cute, and I'll definitely use it. The next item I got here in the box, which looks like a makeup palette. So let's see which one I got. I know there was like a cool toned one and a warm toned one, so let's see which one I got. The packaging looks like this. I'm not sure. Let me see what brand this is, because I don't even know how to read that. If you guys can see it, I don't even know what that says. So let's look. It is DOUCCE. Again, don't know how to pronounce that. So if you're curious, that is the name of the brand. So these are the different mugs you get, different eyeshadow palettes, the different socks. So there's like a blue, a red, pink one, and a black gray one, which I got. And then here are the shawls, which I will show you guys next. Here's the one that I got. I got the cool toned one. It comes with a really big mirror, which I appreciate. I'm definitely gonna smell them. I know that's weird, but you know, like sometimes you can tell when makeup's cheap and you smell it and it has that distinct cheap makeup smell. I always smell makeup. Is that weird? Let's start swatching these. Okay, so here's what the first color looks like. I'm just gonna do swatches on my hand. So right off the bat, this is very smooth, and actually the first color is pigmented. It's a little bit chalky though, and the palette kind of like crumbles. Let's do the gray one next. Okay, the gray is not that pigmented. Not a fan of that one. The purple, I will show all these swatches to you guys after I'm done. So the purple one, the purple's okay. Let's see what this one looks like. So the gray is a little bit better. Let's test out the bottom. Okay, so these definitely are a little bit chalky and they're not super pigmented. Just being honest here. I will still find a use for them though. Yeah, not a fan of this palette so far, but it is nice. I wouldn't go out of my way to buy this though if it was not in the kit. Just putting it out what the colors look like. Again, if you're curious, here are the swatches on my hand. The top row is the top row of this palette, and the bottom row on my hand is the bottom row on this palette. I kind of did this backwards. So this is the top row and this is the bottom row. You guys can see that. I mean, they're not terribly pigmented, but they're really chalky and a little bit powdery. Just noting this is a magnetic palette. So if you have other magnetic eyeshadows or you have other ones that you depotted, you can always take these shadows out and use it as like a Z palette. So that is nice. So this lid actually slides over. I think this is a highlight. So the highlight definitely feels a lot smoother and better than the eyeshadows. The highlight here is actually not even chalky. I'd probably use this as an eyeshadow to go along with this palette. So here is what the highlight looks like. It's not terribly pigmented, but there is some pigmentation there. Next thing I got here is, I think this is a workout ball, and I actually really wanted this because I do a lot of yoga, so I can take this with me to the yoga studio and use my own ball instead of using this. This will definitely get used for sure. I know some people like didn't want this in their box, but I actually really wanted this because I can definitely put this to use. So I'm not gonna blow it up right now, but you can see it's like a pretty good size if this were blown up. And to my knowledge, Fabfitfun, if you go into your account, you can do workout tapes with Julie and Michael on the website for free, which is nice. So I think this was a nice touch that they added, and they include these little things, I think, to blow up the ball. And the last thing in the box here, I think, is that shawl. So I got the cranberry and gray one, and this is from BB Dakota. I'm not familiar with the brand. I heard it's expensive, but I've never bought anything from them. So let's just open this up. This is actually really big. Wow, this is really big. I'm actually gonna try this on in a clip for you guys and include it in this video so you can see what it looks like on. But right now I'm just gonna show what it looks like. So here's what the coloring looks like. And then it kind of drapes down in this V, so you can kind of like wrap it around you to keep you warm, which I think is really nice. Really soft. I feel like this will really keep you warm. I'm actually really excited for this. It looks almost reversible. Like you could do red or you could do the cranberry and blue side, or you could do like that navy and gray, which I really like. So I just want to mention really quick, after I tried this sweater on, I love it and I'm obsessed. It's so warm and so big and cozy that you definitely need this in your life. So this concludes my Fabfitfun unboxing. Again, like I said, I paid for this box with my own money. It's unsponsored, the whole nine. So I paid for this box, and I'll let you guys know my opinions on this before I go for each product. So overall, this is all first impressions. I haven't used anything in this box. Definitely love the Kate Exfoliate. This whole box is worth just this product in my opinion. The price point on it is just phenomenal, and I'm so excited to use this. The mug I love. This is such a useful gift. I love useful things, so this will definitely come in handy, and I love like how much liquid it holds. It's nice and big. The hair mask I will definitely put to use. I love anything that is nice for the hair. You know, us girls, we like that kind of stuff. So the fuzzy socks is also another useful gift. I love these socks. They're super soft and warm, and I can't wait to wear these. Hand cream I'm very excited to use because, again, I always would look at this at Ulta and never wanted to pay, like, I don't know how much it is, like $30 for a hand cream. So this is really nice that this came in this box, and I'm super excited to use this. The fitness ball I'm also super excited about because, like I said, I love yoga, so I am very excited for this fitness ball. And the necklace here I am super excited to wear as well because I think this will be just a cute little addition to each outfit. It's very simple, go with everything, and it's very cute. So I'm actually really happy that they sent me the silver. Couldn't be happier with this one. And lastly, the makeup palette. Now, the only thing I didn't really care for in the box was this makeup palette. Now, I have not used this on my face, so it could perform better than doing swatches on my hand. Not knocking the brand or anything, but I just didn't really care for this product. I will definitely try it. If it doesn't work for me, I'll give it to someone. Maybe it would work for them. So this is my first box. I was very pleased with it. I know the box normally costs $49.99 4 times a year. So to me, it's a little bit heavy. If you guys have a Fabfitfun unboxing, let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely check it out. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please hit that subscribe button down below so you won't miss any future videos. I will also leave my Instagram on the screen here and down below. It's at EMKBeauty. And if you have any video suggestions, please leave them in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.